Make hazelnut milk homemade. This is my first time. I took about 5 cups of hazelnut milk because I want to make a big batch. And then you let it soak in filtered ionized water for over 8 hours or so. And then that's when we'll get our 20 cups of water. And we'll put the pulp in here to zero waste. And yeah.
I let the hazelnuts soak overnight, and then I'm going to rinse it out with a strainer. Then I'm going to take a cup and a half of hazelnut. For every 1.5 cup of hazelnut, then you're going to take 4 cups of filtered and ionized water. Add that into the Vitamix. Now adding pink Himalayan salt for that taste. Taking raw cacao powder for a Nutella flavor. Putting 2 tablespoons of that for the ratio. Putting in some date syrup. It's an alkaline sweetener. You can put as much as you prefer for sugar. Then I'm just adding in more hazelnuts and going off the ratio that I mentioned and adding in some more water. Then I just decided to put the rest of the hazelnuts in there, and I'll just add more water as I go with it. You don't have to add too much salt though. And then I added, of course, more cacao for that hazelnut chocolate Nutella flavor. Add some more date syrup. So good. I love dates. And then taking it to the highest setting, we're going to blend until it looks like it's on a cellular level. Now I'm just taking my magical butter strainer and running the hazelnut through it, giving it a good squeeze, milking them nuts. You know, you can milk these nuts any time of the day. No dairy cows had to be harmed in the process. As you can see, I made a lot of hazelnut milk. I probably made around 2 full mason jars of these, and it's just so delicious. Now for zero waste, I have hazelnut pulp there, and I'm just going to be molding it into these cube-like trays so that I could use it into like my smoothies for later, because they're very nutritious for you. Then we're going to pop them in the freezer overnight, and then we're going to take them out. I love using a reusable freezer bag. It comes in so handy. Just get this, and then we're going to pop out the molds. Look how nice that came out. And it came out so perfectly. Like, you can portion them if you want 1 or 2, and it's just so handy to have that you can put in smoothies. Not to mention they're so delicious. Hope you all enjoyed this and try it out.